Hi guys, you might be wondering why I set up a camera like this, right up here in front of a watch. That's because I'm gonna show you how to set up that watch with your radio being broken. You can see the radio is dark. Well, it's dark because the car is off. Well, rest assured, it's also dark when it's on. I showed you a while ago the method with resetting the radio with that eject button. Well, recently I tried changing the language version of the radio, and apparently it reloads all the settings in the radio, and at this moment it reset itself and never woke up again. So it's permanently broken. I was considering either fixing this or getting one of those multimedia units. So at this time, when it's broken, cannot set up the watch. Also with those multimedia units, they don't transmit the information via CAN to the clock. So you've seen somebody having the exchange radio. You see the radios at a different time. So how do you fix that? Well, there's a really simple method. Works only at 2 times of a day. So what do? You gotta wait exactly till 11:59 and do as so. So as you can see, the clock reset to exactly 12 o'clock. As simple as that. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.